Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Tech Hero, and today we're going to discuss about week 3 of System Administration and IT Infrastructure Services. So basically in this week we're going to talk about the software services. So the first practice quiz of software services, and we're going to see the questions. So the first question, what are some communication services you can utilize in your organization? They are email, chat applications, and phones. And second question, what is the difference between a Pop3 and Imap? Okay, so Pop3 can only download email to one local devices, whether Imap can download emails into multiple devices simultaneously. Okay, so these two are the answers. Number 3, commercial use and personal use software license are essentially the same thing. So it's really false, they're not the same thing. Number 4, what is the difference between Tls and Ssl? Okay, so Tls is the successor to SSL, and Tls is more secure than SSL at the same time. So we're going to discuss about the next topic. Okay, so this is the file services, and they're basically focused on the synchronization, and they have also some questions and lecture videos about the print services and platform services as well. Okay, so we're going to have the quiz among file, print, and platform services. Okay, so the first question, what are the benefits of setting up an NFS server? Okay, so basically it stores files on a network drive, and it also enables file to be shared over a network. Number 2, what methods could you use to set up printing in an organization? Directly connecting to a printer, setting up a print server, and you can also use a cloud service to set up the printers. Number 3, when you have a web server, where service is used to enable HTTP request to be processed, an HTTP server can be used. You can use a database server to store large amount of customer data for a website. Okay, so this is called a database server. So now we are going to the main final graded assignment, which is basically the main part of this. So there's also some troubleshooting platform services and quiz upon this. So HTTP status code that begin with 4xx, like 404, indicates error on the client side. Okay, and HTTP status code that begins with 5xx, like 501, indicates error on the server side. Okay, so basically these are done. We're going to the next. Okay, so troubleshooting platform is done. Okay, so now we have managing cloud resources. There's also something. So we're going to the graded assignments finally. So basically there's the main questions of this. So the question will be different from this, maybe, or it will seem to be a harder question like this. So okay, I will tell you to practice more and more. You can also watch this video and my question answers, and you can also go through the lecture videos for having a better handiness or better performance on this question. Okay, so the first question, you want to be super private with your email. You would like to be able to download your email on a single device, so then remove it from your email server. What email protocol can you use? You can use Pop3, right? Yeah. Okay, so the second one, if you don't want to set up your own dedicated hardware to use the network file storage, what you can do? You can use a cloud file storage provider. Yes, that's the option you can do. Not the database server, it's a wrong answer. Which email protocol is capable of sending emails? SMTP is capable of sending emails. Which file system protocols are intended for network use? NFS, SMB are intended for network use. Apache is an example of what type of software? Web server software. Okay, number 6. What does customer information such as news articles, videos, large amount of text, images, or audio files generally get stored for web services on a database? What is the main function of a database system? Database allows us to store, query, filter, and manage large amounts of data. Okay, so that's all about the week 3 and the software and platform services. So you guys should like and subscribe the videos if you think you are helped. Okay, so thank you.